can.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
It says record. My voice hurts.
Really?
Is that possible?
Guys, look at the beautiful hair.
Shut up.
Oh, me.
I'm not wearing makeup.
You're wearing makeup tomorrow.
Tomorrow there's school.
What?
Tomorrow there's school.
Yeah, and your promos.
Now my relatives will probably see this video.
Make sure there's no bad stuff in it.
I start cursing, randomly cursing. Wow, you look taller than me.
Oh yeah, finally!
She's not actually taller than me though. I can be if I want to be. No, you can't. Yes, I can. No, you can't. No, you can't. Say that right. Well, say bye, Julian.
Bye.